Okay, how to replace your key fob battery on a smart car. Now this is a key for a 451, so this would be, I don't know, from 2009 till 2015, I think, or 2016. I'm not exactly sure. I'm sure they look the same for all the key, but this is your smart key right now. Now I'm going to need the hand of my special helper. Say hi, special helper. Okay, here's the camera. Okay, and you hold the camera and make sure that you see how Daddy changes the battery here. So it's pretty simple. This key, there's a split at the very top here where your key ring goes. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you do is you just take a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver,
Yeah.
and you just split it. Split it like that.
Good.
So the top comes apart.
Good.
Like such. See? Can I have that for a minute?
Yep.
Now this is how it should look, like that.
Oh,
and your key, the positive on the battery is always on the top, so it makes contact with that with the spring right here. The spring. Okay, so basically you just use a screwdriver like such, just to pry it upwards, because it's just held in by two springs right here. Oh, sorry. The two springs right here, and you just remove the battery, and the battery is a CR 2016, at least for mine it is. It's pretty simple. Okay, I'm gonna pass the camera back to my helper so she can video. Can you keep the battery like that?
Yeah.
Can you keep it so you see the key here, honey?
Yep.
Or how I'm doing it? Okay.
Yep.
Like that. See, pretty simple. Comes out very easily. And here's my other battery. My other battery. Positive, of course, has a sticker on it. Remove the sticker and just insert it like such. Here, babe. Here, honey.
Okay.
Come over here.
Okay.
Come take a video, okay? Can you hold the
Yeah.
camera for Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. See?
Yeah.
Like such. Very simple. It just clicks in, and then the positive stays at the top. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when you go put your battery, your key back together like such, you just put the bottom in towards the key. Try to line it up at the bottom first, and then it should just click together, just like such, and then you're done. New key fob battery for your smart car. Look at that. See?
Yeah.
Effortless, so you don't have to pay somebody to do the service. It's a very simple 5-second, just a few seconds just to take it apart with a screwdriver at the top right here. You just split it apart, and it's very simple. You're not gonna break anything. You don't have to worry. Do it at home. All right, hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.